Setting the Announce Calls feature on your iPhone 15 allows you to hear caller information through your headphones or car audio system, enhancing hands-free communication and caller identification. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, tap on Announce Calls. You'll see several options. By default, it's set to Never. To enable the feature, choose any from Headphones in Car or Headphones Only. If you select Headphones in Car, your iPhone will announce calls when connected to headphones or a car audio system. If you choose Headphones Only, calls will only be announced when you're using headphones. All recent changes are automatically applied. Should you wish to disable the feature at any time, repeat the steps to return to the phone app's Announce Call Settings menu, and then select Never. Once you've made your selection, you can go back to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. And that's it! If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.